Hello, I'm Peter Towers. Welcome to this overview from ESS Small Business. Do you know that over 30,000 people from all around Australia have endorsed crowdsourced funding equity raising? Yes, 31,141 people have invested an average of $1,207 into 44 companies which have successfully raised $37.5 million, utilising the new process of crowdsourced funding equity raising. That's a great result. This market has been rather slow to start, but various people from the United Kingdom have been telling me that the same thing occurred in England when they started crowdsourced funding about 7 or 8 years ago. It took about 2 years to get going, and now it is very successful and is a key contributor to financing of small and medium-sized businesses in the United Kingdom. This uptake in Australia will significantly assist small businesses and medium-sized enterprises that are looking to finance their businesses. This could be your problem as a director or manager, shareholder or owner of a business. It's rather difficult to borrow money at present, isn't it? The aftermath of the Banking Royal Commission is affecting the financing for thousands of small and medium-sized enterprises all over Australia. I'll be the first to admit that crowdsourced funding equity raising is not for everyone, but I think you should have a good look at it and decide whether it will suit your business. The initial rules are not very cumbersome. Have you got a group annual turnover of less than $25 million? A group asset value of less than $25 million? And if you're not registered on a stock exchange anywhere in the world, then you are potentially eligible to raise up to $5 million in a 12-month period as a crowdsourced funding equity raising company. And you can then go back to the market in the following 12 months, if you wish, to attempt to raise a further $5 million. And in the third year and so on, you could raise further capital of up to $5 million in each 12-month period. Andrew Geddes, who for 11 years was the chair of Green Cross Limited, a ASX top 200 company, and is also well known as a consultant to the Australian accounting and business industries, has predicted that the number of IPOs, initial public offers, will substantially reduce over the next couple of years as companies who are thinking about wanting to scale up, get a bit bigger, look at the cost of an IPO as compared to the cost of crowdsourced funding equity raising. And he believes that many of them will initially select to go with crowdsourced funding equity raising to undertake an apprenticeship in this new way of raising capital. And subsequently, if they still want to be on the public stock exchange, they will be able to do their IPO at a later date when the company is bigger and more able to stand the significant extra costs that are incurred if you're on a public company. To be successful in raising capital, you will need a business plan, budgets and cash flow forecasts looking at the next 3 years at least, an analysis of your customers, an understanding of what the vision is for your business. Where do you want to go in the next 3 to 5 years? And all that information can then be channeled into the preparation of the crowdsourced funding offer document, which is the de facto prospectus that your company will need to prepare. Now, I don't expect too many people currently running small businesses or medium-sized enterprises to be able to just sit down and prepare that documentation. You will need some expert input from an accountant. We have accountants who are utilising our products and services all over Australia that we can refer you to. But first of all, talk to your own accountant and see whether they can help you And if they cannot, please come back to us and we will be able to introduce you to someone who will be able to guide you on the start of the crowdsourced funding equity raising journey. We have a number of articles, some are free and some are for sale, that are available on our special website for small businesses and medium-sized enterprises, which is www.esssmallbusiness.com.au. We have a special that's running through to the end of August, a 40% discount on all of those articles. So please go to our website and have a look at the material that's available. And we have a special free webinar for small businesses and medium-sized enterprises to go through and dissect every aspect of crowdsourced funding equity raising that might affect you in your small business or medium-sized enterprise on Tuesday the 20th of August at 10 a.m. AEST. You are most welcome to register, and you can register as per the details that are contained in the email that's been forwarded to you to give you the link to this video recording. If you have any questions on any aspect of the services that the team at ESS Small Business and ESS BIZTOOLS can make to your organisation to assist you in raising finance for your business by utilising crowdsourced funding equity raising, please don't hesitate to contact us. Send me an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au. Have a great day.